Hello everyone, this is Kiki from China. We are Dongcheng Motor Company. Now I'm in the stator workshop and I will go to show you for the single phase motor winding. Okay, so let's go to check. Okay, you can check this one. Now we make the winding for single phase motor, 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole. Hello everyone, hello all my friends, thank you for watching. This is single phase motor winding for 2.2 kilowatt 2 pole. Hello all my friends, thank you for watching. Here is Dongcheng Motor in China. Now we make the winding for single phase motor, 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole. Motor in China. Now we make the winding for single phase motor, 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole.
上次那个8041的那个纸不是裁了好多了吗？现在下面都拿进来。
又多了吗？
上次这下面不是放了好多人就裁了一个。 啊，有蛮多的，我看着。
Welcome, my friend. Here is induction motor in China. Now we are making winding for single phase motor, 2.2 kilowatt, 3 horsepower, 2 pole. So this one is ready for one piece, 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole. Hello all my friends, this is Kiki from China. Just now I show you how we make winding for 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole, single phase motor. So now let's check when we finish the winding and how is the next step. Hello all my friends, thank you for watching. Okay, you can check this one. Now we make the winding for 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole. You can check our quality by your eyes. All the wire is copper wire, and the silicon lamination is cold low silicon lamination. Okay. Hello my friend. So let's go from this side to check how we do it. Hello my friend. Now we are making the winding single phase motor, 2.2 kilowatt, 2 pole. Here is the motor in in China. With the winding for 2.2 kilowatt single phase 2-pole. Okay, you can check here. Okay, all my friends, thank you for watching. Just now I show you for the 2.2 kilowatt 2-pole single phase winding. So we make the single phase motor and also 3-phase motor. If you have any inquiry for the motor, please just let me know. You can send me email or message. Okay, let's go to check my name card. Thank you. Okay, here is our catalog and also my name card here. My name is Kiki Liu. You also can call me Kiki. And here is our company name, address, we are in China, telephone number, and also my cell phone number. You can add this one for WhatsApp and WeChat. You also can send me email to my email address kiki@dongzhenmotor.com, and also welcome to visit our website. There is our logo, Dongzhen, and here the QR code. You can scan this one to save all my information in your mobile at just one day. Welcome all my friends. Okay, thank you for watching today. Thank you, Kiki from China. We are Dongzhen Motor Company. We make the electric motor for 3-phase and also single phase. Welcome to give me all your information, inquiry and suggestion. Okay? Kiki from China. Goodbye to all of you. See you next time. Bye-bye.